Welcome to Love Infused Kitchen. I'm Angie, and today I'm excited to make something new again. So today I'll be making Thai lettuce wraps, which I've never tried or made before. So come along as I learn to make something new. So I've already done a little bit of prepping with dicing up some vegetables, and I still have a few left to dice up. So I need some scallions, let me grab my 1/4 cup. That looks perfect. Next, I need a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro that's chopped. I might not go as heavy on this item. I'm one of those people that cilantro tastes like dish soap to me, so it takes a little bit of getting used to. Let's see, that there should be a 1/4 cup. If it's a little bit less, that's okay. All right, let's go over to the stove and get started. All right, I'm going to heat up a pan. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. All right, to my hot oil, I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of onion, which mine's frozen. It's already been pre-diced. I'm going to add that to the hot pan and let that start to cook. All right, next I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic that are minced and 1 tablespoon of ginger that's been minced, or pureed I should say. All right, I'm going to let this cook for a minute or two. All right, I'm going to take this out of the pan for now before I add my chicken. Next, into my pan, I'm going to add 1 pound of ground chicken. To my chicken, I'm going to add a few pinches of Celtic sea salt. Actually, let me add another. I'm going to add a third pinch of Celtic sea salt. And some pepper. And start breaking this up. I have my heat on a little over medium. Let that continue to cook. While that continues to cook, I'm going to add to my small bowl here 1/4 cup of soy sauce, or I have coconut aminos, 2 tablespoons of a Thai sweet chili sauce, I have the juice of 1 lime, and I have 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, or you could use honey or agave, it said. Mix that up. Let that set and check back on the chicken. Another minute or two. All right, that looks cooked, so I'm going to add my sauce that I just made into the pan. And I'm going to add back in my ginger and onion and garlic. Turn that down a little bit. Incorporate all the ingredients here. Let that simmer for just a minute or so. And I'm going to add about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of shredded carrots. I'm going to add in my chopped scallions and let that go in for a minute or two. And here's my cilantro. It's going in the pan for a minute or so. All right, I'm going to shut this off. Now I bought a container, or you can just buy a head of baby butter leaf lettuce. So that's what we're going to use to put the ground chicken in. So I just laid it out in a circle. All right. I'll bring you back in just a minute for a taste test. All right, let's attempt to give this a taste test. It's probably going to be messy. That's really good. I do think I taste the cilantro and it's very overpowering and it's a little bit like dish soap. So if I can overlook that, the Thai sweet chili sauce actually is really good. I've never tried that before. So I would make this dish again. I would for myself, I would leave out the cilantro because I think it kind of overwhelms the dish for me with it tasting a little bit like dish soap. But otherwise, this Thai chicken lettuce wrap is really good. Well, thank you for watching today. I appreciate it. And until the next time, so long.